And rounding out the field from dynamic speed, Sondre Davison.
Does Sondre Davison become the 30th Jamaican to go sub 10? He ran 10.00 last evening. The only reason that might be any question is that the wind is not helping them as much as it tends to at this time. It's almost still out there or slightly against them, as we saw for the girls. The big race, it's really two races. The Oblique Seville Kishane Thompson clash at the front, and then that battle for that precious third and final spot to Paris. 983 for Oblique Seville in the semis, 984 for Kishane Thompson in the semis. This is the 100-meter finals.
They've asked about the future of Jamaican sprinting, and the men's side, it's ripe and healthy. 4 men under 23 years old in this final.
Fireworks in the making once again. You can feel the level of anticipation gripping this contest. Men's 100-meter final. Set. Seville and Thompson got away like rockets. Seville looks imperious. Thompson looks imperious and commanding as well. Kishane Thompson steps to the fore and gets there. 9.73. Oh, goodness gracious me. It's a new stadium record. New world leading. Absolutely stunning. 9:77 the official time. It is still a new world leading, a massive new personal best. Kishane Thompson again sends an ominous message. This man is on fire. What a stupendous performance. A stunning, scorching, and a superlative display of sprinting. Seville second, 982, equaling his personal best. What a race we just saw. Third going to Akeem Blake, 9.92. That's your top 3.
Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Lost for words, lost for description. What a way to close day number 2. He looked in spanking form. Went through the line. Here, great start on the inside for Jelani Gordon. Got up very well. Oblique Seville got a good start. Kishane Thompson now trying to reining Oblique Seville, and he pulls up to his shoulder. Big, powerful, and strong. Looks around at Oblique Seville and eases down through the line. The flash time 9.73. Oblique Seville very composed at this stage. Brian Level, Akeem Blake trying to hold on to them, but Kishane Thompson, my, what a performance. Look at this man. He looks so good. And he looks at the clock, focused on the clock. Have you seen the goodness of the Lord? Because tonight, a heavenly performance, something from the heavens themselves.
Wow.
You could not have scripted this. My. And he ran all the way back to the warm-up track.
I wonder how many bottles of water Noah Lyles will drink after seeing this.
I don't think it's just Noah Lyles.
There is Kishane Thompson.
It's already over the stadium.
To find his coach, Stephen Francis.
Bruce, have you ever seen this shot at the national championship?
No.
We've never had a shot like this.
This is amazing. So the world wants to hear, who are the 10 fastest men?
Kishane Thompson's explosive performance in the 100-meter final at the National Championships sent shockwaves through the athletics world and reignited global interest in Jamaican sprinting. His emphatic victory didn't just establish him as one of the fastest sprinters alive, it signaled the arrival of a formidable new contender on the world stage. In a final packed with elite Jamaican talent, including Oblique Seville and Akeem Blake, the race promised fireworks. All eyes were fixed on the showdown between Thompson and Seville, while the rest of the field vied fiercely for a place on the podium. Yet Thompson decisively seized the spotlight, storming to a sensational 9.77 seconds, setting a new stadium record and registering the fastest time recorded globally in 2024. It was a performance that blended ferocity with finesse, showcasing both his raw velocity and his composure under pressure, key attributes for international success. Thompson executed a flawless race from start to finish. He launched out of the blocks with razor-sharp reflexes, accelerated with fluid grace, and unleashed raw power through every phase. His closing surge was a display of total dominance, overtaking Seville with authority while maintaining impeccable form. His technique, physical prowess, and tactical awareness were all on full display, an unmistakable signal that he belongs in the sport's top tier. Seville, running brilliantly himself, secured second with a time of 9.82 seconds, equaling his personal best, while Blake followed closely with 9.92. These results underscored the astonishing strength of Jamaican sprinting, with multiple athletes consistently pushing under the 10-second threshold. Despite Thompson's runaway victory, his performance reopened old discussions about his execution in major finals, particularly regarding his tendency to ease off near the finish. Analysts suggested this habit may have cost him Olympic gold, even though his 9.77 remains the world's fastest this year. In the Olympic final, he was narrowly edged out by Fred Curley, finishing second in a heart-pounding race. It served as a stark reminder, at the elite level, every fraction of a second, and every ounce of effort matters. Many have drawn parallels between Thompson and a young Usain Bolt, the Jamaican icon whose name is etched into sprinting history. While Thompson's path is still unfolding, his potential to lead the next wave of Jamaican sprinters feels undeniable. His rise also evokes memories of Jamaica's dominant showing at the 2021 Olympics, particularly in the women's sprints. Though 2024 has yet to produce that same level of dominance, Thompson's emergence has breathed new life into the island nation's sprinting legacy. This record-setting performance marks a significant turning point in his career, but it also brings new pressure. As Thompson prepares for future global competitions, refining his race approach and improving consistency will be essential. With the right guidance and continued development, he could very well etch his name alongside the legends of the sport. Kishane Thompson's display at the national championships was more than a win, it was a bold declaration. His electrifying run elevated him into the conversation among the sports elite, while also inspiring the generation chasing his footsteps. As he charts his future path, fans and rivals alike will watch closely, anticipating more record-breaking runs and unforgettable moments. Thompson's breakout win not only positions him as a torchbearer for Jamaican sprinting, it offers hope and excitement for the future of the sport. His capacity to compete with the best and push the boundaries of speed makes him both a thrilling talent and a compelling figure to follow. Still, the lingering questions about his closing technique add a layer of complexity to his story, one that could define how high he ultimately soars.